Welcome back to Daily Dialogues, the podcast where we help you speak English confidently in everyday situations. I'm James.
And I'm Lily. Thanks for tuning in. Today's episode is especially useful if you're planning to travel abroad, like to Europe or the US.
That's right. We'll walk you through how to order food at a restaurant, from the moment you arrive to the moment you leave.
We'll speak slowly and clearly, so even if you're just starting out, you'll be able to follow along. You can shadow us, repeat after us, and even imagine yourself in the scene.
Let's get started.
James, I've been thinking. If I go to a restaurant in the US, I honestly don't know what to do. Like, do I just walk in and sit down? Or do I talk to someone?
Great question. In most restaurants, especially in the US or Europe, you wait at the entrance and a host or server will greet you. You can say something simple like, "Hi, table for two, please."
So I don't need to explain much?
Nope. Just say how many people are in your group. If you're alone, say, "Hi, just one, please."
Okay, that sounds easy.
All right, Lily, now that you've learned how to ask for a table, let's put it into practice.
Okay, I'm ready.
Great. Let's imagine this. You're in New York City. It's a chilly evening, and you've just walked into a cozy little restaurant in Manhattan. I'll be the host at the front desk, and you're the guest. Ready?
Got it. I'm stepping through the door now.
Good evening. Welcome to Hudson Bistro. How can I help you?
Hi, table for one, please.
Of course. Would you prefer a seat by the window or near the fireplace?
By the window, please.
Perfect. Follow me. Here's your table. Your server will be with you shortly.
Thank you so much.
Nice job, Lily. That was smooth and confident.
I could really picture it. Saying table for one, please felt natural.
Exactly. And remember, a warm smile and polite tone go a long way. Even if your English isn't perfect, people will appreciate your effort. So, Lily, we've just learned how to ask for a table when you walk into a restaurant without a booking.
Right. But what if I've already made a reservation? Like, I booked online or called ahead?
Great question. That's actually very common in the US and Europe. When you've reserved a table, you don't need to ask if they have space. You just let them know you've booked. It's smooth and confident.
Sounds fancy. What do I say?
Simple. You say, "Hi, I have a reservation under Lily." Or "We booked a table for 7 p.m. under Lily."
Got it. Can we try a role play?
Absolutely. Let's imagine you're arriving at a restaurant in Chicago. It's Friday night, and you've booked a table for two. I'll be the host again. Good evening. Welcome to the Oak Room. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I have a reservation under Lily. It's for 2 people at 7 p.m.
Perfect. Let me check. Yes, here it is. Follow me. Your table is ready.
Thank you.
That was perfect, Lily. You sounded confident and clear. Just like a seasoned diner.
I liked how simple it was. Just say your name and the time. No need to overthink it.
Exactly. And if you ever feel unsure, just smile and speak slowly. Most staff are trained to help you feel comfortable. All right, Lily. You've been seated at your table. The atmosphere is cozy. And now the menu is in front of you. What's your next move?
Honestly, I feel a little overwhelmed. There are so many dishes with fancy names. And I don't know what half of them are.
Totally understandable. Menus in American restaurants can be full of unfamiliar items, especially if it's a fusion or upscale place. But here's the good news, you can always ask the server. That's the person who takes your order and brings your food.
Really? I always worry that asking too many questions might annoy them.
Not at all. In the US, it's perfectly normal to ask about the menu. Servers are usually friendly and happy to help. You can say things like, "Excuse me, could you tell me what's in this dish? What do you recommend? Is this spicy?" And if you're vegetarian, you can ask, "Do you have any vegetarian options?"
That sounds easy enough. Can we try a role play?
Let's do it. Imagine you're at a nice restaurant in New York City. It's dinner time, the lights are warm, and the vibe is relaxed. I'll be your server. Hi there. Welcome to Willow and Pine. Can I get you started with something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please. And I'm looking at the menu, but I'm not sure what to choose. What do you recommend?
Our grilled chicken with rosemary potatoes is a guest favorite. It's flavorful but not too heavy.
Sounds good. Is it spicy?
Not at all. It's mild, with herbs and garlic.
Perfect. I'll go with that. Thank you.
That was great, Lily. You asked clearly, showed interest, and made a confident choice.
I really liked saying, "What do you recommend?" It felt natural and friendly.
Exactly. And if you ever want to know what's popular, you can ask, "What's the most popular dish here?" Or if you have allergies, don't hesitate to say, "I'm allergic to peanuts. Is this safe for me?"
I'll definitely remember these phrases. Thanks, James.
Okay, Lily. You've asked about the menu. The server gave you a great recommendation. And now you're ready to order. How are you feeling?
Excited, but also a little nervous. I don't want to mess up the order or sound awkward.
Totally normal. But here's the good news, ordering food in English is actually very simple. You don't need fancy grammar, just clear, polite phrases.
So what should I say?
You can say, "I'll have the grilled chicken, please. Can I get a lemonade?" Or even, "I'd like the pasta."
That sounds easy. Just say what I want and add please.
Exactly. And if you're ordering for more than one person, you can say, "We'll have 2 burgers and a salad." Or, "She'll have the steak and I'll take the salmon."
Nice. Can we try a role play?
Let's do it. You're at a trendy restaurant in New York. You've looked at the menu, asked a few questions, and now the server is back to take your order. I'll be the server again. Hi again. Are you ready to order?
Yes. I'll have the grilled chicken with rosemary potatoes, please. And can I get a lemonade?
Absolutely. Would you like a starter or appetizer?
I'll take the Caesar salad to start.
Great choice. I'll put that in for you. Anything else?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
That was perfect, Lily. You ordered clearly, politely, and confidently.
It felt good to say I'll have. It's simple but sounds natural.
Exactly. And remember, you can always ask follow-up questions like, "Does this come with fries? Can I substitute the mashed potatoes for a salad?"
Ooh, I like that. Substitutions, very useful.
Yep. In American restaurants, it's common to customize your meal. Just ask nicely, and most servers will accommodate you.